All right, so here it is, Krushali Shah. You must be really excited about your score. Can you please tell us how you feel about my training?
It was a great training, sir. Your teaching techniques has really helped me a lot. The support which you have provided was, immense, and you had always encouraged me to reach to the level where I am currently. So I got a great score just because of you. Thank you for that.
All right. So your score is 8, 7.5, 7, and 7.5. With 8 in listening, 7.5 in reading, 7 in writing, and 7.5 in speaking. So,
That's
what
right.
was the major motivation behind achieving this score?
So motivation, I actually would say that I had worked hard. It has been said that you have to work really very hard for IELTS, and you may have to work for hours and hours every day, studying and concentrating on each of the module. But as you said that, and the
Yes.
way you has given us coaching, you has always said that there is no need of too much hard work require. It's just that 2 hours a day would be enough from students and I think that has really helped me a lot. And moreover, it is the technique and structure which you has given it to me has really helped me to crack this, and that has really very motivated, because you has already always been told me that I have a full faith on you. You are able you will be able to make it. So that has, I think, really motivated me to reach to this level.
So, do you think it was worth spending money at my trading center at Reinforce Insights? And
Yes,
I,
definitely. Yes, definitely. So, when I was getting enrolled into IELTS coaching, I heard people saying that there is no need of IELTS coaching. You can do it from home, or you can do it on yourself.
yes,
But the things are quite different. You know, when you get a coaching from a tutor who have a great years of experience, that really helps us because they are more knowledgeable. They know what exactly the British Council or IDP would require, what kind of techniques they accept. Tips there are, the many tips which you has provided me, whether it is in writing module or say it in speaking as well. So we are able to speak normally, but at the same time, when you have to appear for the speaking module in an interview, it becomes little different. So all those kind of techniques which you has provided it to me is something which I would have not done it myself, or maybe if I would have done it, I would may have not scored this much of marks which I had scored.
so have you researched any other reading center before joining my center? Now, how did you think when you visited my training center for the first time?
So basically, to be very frank, I have not researched more on coaching centers. So one of my common friend has recommended your institute, and through Google reviews also, I just went roughly through your review. I mean, I just went through your reviews, and I came to know that your the reviews are quite positive, and I made up my mind the moment when I reached to your institute physically, because that was the time when you had approached me really very positively, and it seems that the tutor is knowing much about the service which he is providing. So it was very much visible that I'm putting my efforts and my time on a right institute. So
So,
that was
so do you think?
actually
I'm
helped
sorry to
me.
cut you down. But do you think that the reviews that you went through reflected the way that I trained, reflected the quality of my training?
Yes, definitely. I think reviews are the genuine reviews, which people like me, the student like me who has posted it, and I think they would be the right people to judge the service which you are providing, because they have actually went through through the service and through the coaching. So I think, yeah, it is obviously genuine, and it is exactly the way you have provided.
There's one more question with regards to mindset. Now, there are people who overthink a lot about IELTS, whether what they will do next after preparation. In every day, they always think about IELTS. and they think that it might affect their score if they do not involve more of their time in practicing. And there are others who keep on practicing all the time madly without knowing what mistakes they do, what they need to do to improve their score. Do you think that people should develop overthinking or over practicing mindset?
So yes, definitely. Actually, the problem with the IELTS is that only that we as a student do overthink a lot, and there is a myth which is going on in this society that IELTS is very difficult. It becomes really difficult to crack the IELTS with the score which you need for for your immigration. So I think those things are just a myth. You have, and obviously the hard, it is not that too much of hard work is also required. A smart work and a decent practice would make you reach to your goal, because what happens is people who do not go for a coaching or they prepare it themselves, there are people who really get a success in that also, but the ratio is very less, because we can write essays and we can write emails in our routine life very easily, but at the same time when it comes to write an essay or write a letter according to the requirements of British Council, or according to the requirements of examination point of view, I think you are the people who are who have a great knowledge and understanding about it. So I think people should not overthinking that it is too difficult or too hard to crack it. It's just that a bit of smart work is required, because it does not mean that you have to spend hours and hours solving 10, 20 reading materials or reading examination. It is just that if you are sensibly and intelligently following the rules which tutor is providing and solving 2 to 3 questions test of reading also, that would also be enough.
All right, one more question. Now, many people are confused whether to give IELTS or PT. What is your opinion about IELTS, or which one would you choose, IELTS or PT?
I would say IELTS is much better because it is organized and structured. So there are only 4 modules, and it is properly streamlined as well. Whereas if you consider PT, it is a bit confusing, and there are a lot of sections into it, which becomes little confusing at times. And I guess PT is something which is which is given by the students for only one specific country, or and IELTS has been accepted by many countries. So I think IELTS is having a great market to cater.
So here is the score. So I've just overwritten the reference numbers and everything for security reasons. But after looking at this score, do you think you could have done better in any of these modules?
Yes, I think I would have done better in listening, because listening is my strong area, and and whenever I used to practice the listening test, I used to score easily 8.5, and there were only few of my questions which at that point of time went wrong. But I think the test which I had given was bit difficult, or it was few of the questions were a bit confusing for me, and that was the reason I ended up getting 8. But I strongly believe that I would have scored easily 8.5, which I didn't.
All right, that's it. So I would like to quickly wrap up our communication with the last question. How much would you rate my training out of 5 stars?
I was pretty satisfied with the training which you had provided to me. You were constantly in touch with me whenever I used to have any sort of queries. I used to drop a message, and you was always available to help me out. So for me, it is 5 out of 5. And I would definitely like to thank you from the bottom of my heart, because you this was just a goal which I thought it would be very difficult for me to achieve, but you made it possible with your constant support. So for that, 5 out of 5 for sure.
All right, Krushari. So thanks for your participation and for your time. I hope that you do good things, by putting similar efforts even in the future in your professional life. So thank you. Have a good time.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.